My dear students, viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are well in your homes. This is lesson 5th of class 12th. Our today's topic is the scarecrow. This is second lecture about this lesson, the scarecrow, written by Satyaji Roy. The major characters of this lesson are Marginko Babu, Sudhir driver, Abhiram servant. We have detailed discussed about Marginko Babu Shekhar in first lecture. Now I want to highlight some important points about Abhiram, who is servant of Marginko Babu. Abhiram served Marginko's Shekhar Babu family for about 20 years. 20 years he served the family of Marginko Shekhar Babu. 20 साल वो इनके घर में रहा. 20 साल उसने इनके घर में काम किया बतौर नौकर. अभिराम ने. After 20 years, Marginko Babu Shekhar watch is lost. It was thought that this watch was stolen by Abhiram, servant, because Marginko Shekhar's Babu father has called a witch doctor, and the witch doctor had a wicker tray. This wicker tray this witch doctor rotated the wicker tray, and it pointed towards the Abhiram, and Abhiram was charged that you have stolen the golden watch of Marginko Shekhar. This watch has been gifted to Marginko Babu on his wedding. This was wedding gift. So he was dismissed from the service of servant. अभिराम को नौकरी से निकाला गया. तो अभिराम एक गरीब आदमी था, उसके पास दवाई के पैसे नहीं थे. He fell ill and he got dropsy. Now Abhiram, after few years, the Abhiram passed away. तो अभिराम जो है वो गुजर गया. In first lecture, as we have already discussed, the Marginko Shekhar Babu, when he returned from the function from Durgapur, on return from Durgapur, when he traveled towards Kolkata, when he reached at Mankar, his car ran out of petrol. Then he spent here 2 to 3 hours. During this time, Marginko Babu wants to kill this time. He wants to spend this time. He wants to pass this time at Mankar station, where his car was ran out of petrol, जहाँ पर पेट्रोल खत्म हो गया था, और उसका जो सुधीर ड्राइवर है वो पेट्रोल लाने के लिए पानागढ़ गया था. तो इतने देर में वहां पर जहां पर Marginko Shekhar Babu अब कार में रहा, तो वो कार से नीचे उतरा. Around this car he saw barren land, empty fields, miles of empty fields are barren. तो उसमें इन खेतों में उसने देखा था. This was the winter time. उसने वहां पर देखा एक scarecrow. It was made up of bamboos, horizontal bamboos and a vertical bamboos. This vertical bamboos was fixed in the earth in the field, and there was also a horizontal bamboos. On the top of this bamboos there was a earthen pot which was upside down. The two white marks were present as eyes on this black on this pot. This black pot was painted by this earthen pot was painted by black. The Margango Babu saw this scarecrow turns into a real man, and this apprentice, like this Abiram the servant, now it turns towards a real man which wears a dirty dhoti, a printed shirt which was given by Margango Babu 3 years before, and this man Abiram servant told Margango Babu that I have never stolen your golden watch. This watch is lying at the wardrobe. When Margango Babu reaches at home, he straight goes to the wardrobe, and found the watch, and in this way, this Abiram becomes free from the charge of stolen this golden watch. Now this Margango Babu never believes on superstitious, never believe on witch doctors. Now in this way this story becomes concluded. Thank you for today.